Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate interquartile range in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. First, select any empty cells, then first equal, then see this equal quartile range A1 A10 type or manually selected range A1 A10. Again, comma 3 round close bracket minus again quartile, again select range or type manually A1 clone A10, comma 1, again close round bracket, press enter. See this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.